stuck in a bunker down caravan, waiting for the morning and I slept till dawn. All the holes in the roof and the rain come through, and the cats and the rats they're playing peekaboo. Oh, she'll wake up with the woman of the house with a white spotted apron and a calico blouse. She began to frighten when I said boo, saying don't be afraid, man, it's old Johnny Doo. Flexi hair girl one day, good morning, little flexi hair girl, I'd say, good morning, little big man, and how do you do? Yeah, right, tell you know what you do. My pair of trousers and a collar and a tie, and a nice big lady, I will fetch her by and by. My pair of goggles and a color of blue, and an old fashioned lady, I will make her too. Story by all ring dudes and down big witness to the old Johnny Doo.
Yeah.
Thank you. Dave, would you give me a glass of water?